Today we're going to be treating solving that of tax 8 um, on Python, hello world 0x0 tax. So um, just go and give me a second to reach there. Okay, so create a sentence. That's what this is about, creating a sentence. So um, complete the source code to print. So we want to print out of the source code. We want to be able to make use of it to be able to print a text which comes this way: object oriented programming with Python, followed by a new line. So we have a new line, but this what we want to be printed. This stuff here we have on the screen. Let me see if I can highlight it. uh, so I think I'm finding difficulties in highlighting it, so I've done that for here and here. So just that. Okay, so that is it. You can find the source code here. So you are not allowed to use any loop conditional statement. Your program should be exactly 5 lines. You are not allowed to create new variables. So we are not going to be creating any variables apart from the variable provided in the source code. So we're just going to open the source code to see what is given to us. So from what is given to us, we will be able to make use of it. So this is what was given to us. The stuff up there, then a variable called str with a bunch of text. Python is interpreted interactive object-oriented programming slash language that combines remarkable power with very clear syntax. And over there we have your code goes here, please remove this line. So this place is the particular place we will be editing in our code. So I'm just gonna highlight that area and I'm just gonna copy that. So I'll go back to my terminal where I'm working. Okay, so this terminal is where we'll be executing. So I'm just gonna navigate quickly there. um, okay, so coming, remove something. Okay, so you see we stop at 7, so we are going to 8. So I'm just gonna cd sorry, I'm gonna open the new file in a Vim editor. So concat then underscore edgsh.py, like that. So I've created the file which was given to us to create. So I'm just gonna paste our code there, and this is it. So actually we have what we want, but we want to get rid of your code goes here and put something else here. I'm just gonna delete that. So this is what we needed here, and that's all. Don't need any other thing again. So if we run this, we expect the syntax to be displayed on the screen. So let's try that and see if that happens. So let me see. So I'm gonna change the mode, u plus x, then I'm gonna put 8 there. Okay, so I'm going to run that right away. 8 slash, like that. So Python is an interactive slash. So we have all these text, but this is not the particular text we are looking for. We are looking for uh, um, object oriented programming with Python, something like that. That's what we're looking for, object oriented programming with Python. So that's what we want to do. So we're gonna look for a way on how we can manipulate this to give us that which we require. So how can we do that? So start with the string str. So this string, we're going to be using this to edit what we are talking about. So I'm just gonna put is equals to something. Then I want to locate where object-oriented programming is. That's where I want to locate right now. So I'm going to start my counting from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, am I correct? Yeah, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 8 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38. So 38. So I want to chop off 38 stuff there. So I'm just gonna say str there. So I'll come here and put 38 like that. Okay, so it's gonna chop away this, and what we're gonna start with is object-oriented programming. So I'm not sure, but let's check that out to see if it works as expected. Okay, so you see it starts with object-oriented programming. So we're gonna do the same cell. We're gonna chop out this part of it to this particular point here. So maybe I'm gonna start the counting from the back side to that point. So it's gonna be I don't know, can be much stuff there. So let me just start counting from there. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with that. So let me start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 then 63. Okay, 63. So let's see 63 if 63 works. So insert 63 and let's check that out. So we expect to have uh, uh, the this programming object oriented to see. Let me confirm if that's what we're gonna have as an output. Okay, we have object oriented program. We want programming actually, so I'm gonna go back to our VI. I'm going to reduce that to 60. 0. Okay, so let me see if that works. Oh, the more I the more I do that, it reduces it. So let me increase it to 66. Okay, replace with 6. Yeah, so let me see if that works. Okay, so object oriented programming. So the next thing that is remaining to add there is width. So let's go back to our code and see where width is located. So where is width in our code? So width is somewhere here. That's where width is. So we are going to start our counting from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Right, I don't know if I've made mistake. Let me count again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so we have 20 there. So let me see how good that goes. So I'm gonna concatenate that. Sorry, I'm gonna concatenate that. So I'm gonna use plus sign with a space. So I'm gonna add a space there. So like that. Then I'm going to put another STR like that. So there I'm gonna put uh, something, I don't know what will be the number from here to here. 1, let me see the actual value here, 8, 9. So 8, so whatever value I have here minus 8, -72 minus 8, so 72 minus 8, that should be giving me something like well, let me just count because I don't want to, but let me try that. 72 minus 8, that should be 64 if I'm not mistaken. So if I put 64 from here to this point, 64, okay, so 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. But instead of wasting time, let me start the counting from here. Then I'm gonna manipulate the negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. So let's use minus 23 to see if that works. Minus 23, then a column. Let me see that if it works. Uh, so just like that. Okay, width, so we get that. You can see we have width here, so it's just to get rid of very clear syntax. That's what's remaining, so I'm going to get rid of that right away. So column, no, so here supposed to be negative number. Let me count from still this point. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that will be kind of difficult, so let me still try using the minus symbol, or let me use the normal symbol. Okay, so I'll count again from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I think 18. So I'm just coming here and put 18 there. Insert 18 like that. So I'm just gonna do that, hit enter and run that. Okay. Oh, everything is gone. Everything is gone. uh, so it just require a bit of patience, and with time you're just gonna figure things out how it is being done. So okay, so let me try a negative value. let me try negative value to see if that works. And set minus 18, escape. Okay, like that. And let me see. Wow, it works actually. So I have object programming with, so that works. Okay, so that is for that. I think the space I'm giving here is too monotonous, so let me get rid of that. uh, so that's okay. So then the next one is Python. I need to locate where Python is, so uh, I'm just gonna use the plus symbol because Python is somewhere at the beginning of the page, so concatenate it with a space. Okay, so I'm still gonna use string. So our box, so inside the box we are going to be having the Python, where Python is being situated. I think that Python is kind of simple to get because it's the first text there, so I can just go in and put how many? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let me just say 7. Let me make it 7, and a dot like this. I don't know how good that is, so I'm going to run that. Okay, so it's actually bringing out everything we have there, uh, and chopping off the rest. So I'm gonna make it a negative value, so I'll come over there and put uh, I'll get rid of, sorry, I'll just move that. Let me replace it with 0 and take it here and put 7 over there. Let me just come over here and remove that like that. So then we'll check it again. So let's run that. So you can see object oriented programming with Python. So we still have an issue. I think we have a lot of space there with that width, which we need to sort out. So let me make this 19. I think this should sort out the case. If that doesn't, then we'll look for some other ways. It's getting rid of most of those important information. Let me return it back to 18. So I'll come here and change this to 24. So let me see that. Okay, since something is added there, so all you just need to do is just to play around these numbers for you to get the actual value you're looking for. Yeah, so objects oriented programming with Python, you can see how nice it looks. So we have finally done this. This is cool. If you notice there's a space at the back of this, you can get rid of it before the object. So if we have maybe 38, let me see if I can increase it to 39. Escape, like that. Good. So you can see we have a very good output here. So just changing the numbers, and finally we are arrived to our answer. Please, these are how programmers need to work. They should be able to solve problems, because that was actually a problem. TextPy is very simple and cheap, but kind of a problem that we can work over, change letters, change numbers to get to a final answer. Please, if you really enjoy this, please make sure you smash the like button, jingle the notification bell, and share with friends and people that are in the same let me say ministry with you, people that are in the same um, match with you. So you can be a programmer and you want to excel uh, in when it comes to programming, and you are within the wrong set of people, not even the wrong set of people, you are within peoples that are not programmers, you can't easily succeed like that. So most of your friends as a programmer should be programmers, so that when you guys are exchanging conversation, it's something relevant to your occupational base. So thanks and have a good day.